Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I am going to show you what all exciting things happen in my life with you all. So keep watching. देखो बिना रोए प्याज काट रही है और स्प्राउट्स भी बना रही है। वाह, ये वाला भिंडी की सब्जी देखिए, भिंडी को वॉश किया जा रहा है मल्टीपल टाइम्स। और ये जंबो कुकर में बन रहा है राजमा। सीटी लगना था, देखना। So finally the lunch is prepared. As you can see, there's a lot of recipes here. I only made the salad today and nothing else. I just enjoyed everything that they made and it was really delicious. And then we got ready for shopping. Neha wanted to shop some things, actually all the things that are needed for the Janmashtami puja, and then we went to the nearby market and where she got all of the ingredients that she needed. I was really excited and looking forward to this puja because Neha was going to do that and we are just going to be a part of it. While roaming around along with her, I could see this beautiful potteries and everything that was so pretty around, and this goddesses, everything looked so beautiful, and there was totally a different kind of energy and vibe in the whole market. Everyone was just looking for all the puja things, and yeah, it was wonderful. I think it was really a great decision to go that day. And then while coming back home, I did some little bit of shopping for my own groceries, and yeah, that's how I ended the day. I am a big fan of greens and all kinds of saag, so definitely when I was shopping I saw this red amaranth and I bought it instantly, and then I made it the next day, and it was a very simple recipe. I made it, and I think you guys also need to have this kind of things in your life because it's very good for your body and your well-being. Then the puja was at 12 at night, so we started with our arrangements and I was helping Neha and to arrange everything, and I was really looking forward to it. I was so excited and happy, and yeah, it was like great. It's 12 at night and see how it started raining. Happy Janmashtami, guys. It's the magic of nature, it's the magic of Krishna that is raining at the right time. Such a magical moment. Finally the puja started and I was watching everything that Neha was doing and getting lost in the vibe completely. आरती कुंज बिहारी की, श्रीधर कृष्ण मुरारी की, आरती कुंज बिहारी की, श्रीधर कृष्ण. The next day we had this prasad which was so tasty, and also for breakfast we had this sabudana khichdi which was yummy. After visiting the nearby temples, I got ready and went to my next shoot, which was also a makeup shoot. They were going to do some creative fantasy look on me, and yeah, that's how I started the next day. So they had done this spider look on me, which was actually, I think this was all Halloween inspired, and yeah, that's how the makeup looks. I really loved the look because it was very different to me. Finally, it was the time to feed myself. So I thought of having this burger, and along with that, I also had this drink which was amla and ginger. And then, while I came back home, I had puri with chole ki sabzi, which was made by my roommate, and it was also delicious. Then I went out for a meeting, and the meeting was quite good, and the weather was really fantastic. And then I also had this potato wedges along with some black coffee, and then also later on we had some chicken pizza, which was actually chicken peri peri pizza. And then I came back home. I also got a little bit nostalgic, had this Kit Kat, and I really liked it so much. Regarding some work, I had to go to the airport, and it was a rainy day, cloudy, you can say, and it was raining all day, and but I really enjoyed. Then I got hungry, and I went to the nearby dhaba and had this Bengali style chicken thali. And later on, I had also this cookies. And the next day, I went to another venue, and it was also a great experience over there. And yeah, that's how I started the day. The next stop for the day was the Geo Convention Center, and I think I went there for the third time, and it looks really stunning to me every time I go there. Then I spotted these cuties over there, and it looked wonderful, and I just wanted to record this, and there were many other beautiful things around there as well. Then for lunch, I had gone to the nearby Pizza Express, which was in Kolaba, and I thought of ordering this vegetarian platter. And they thought there are other friends as well who would be sharing with me, but and then I said no, no, it's all for me. And then I had it all, but I don't know, I didn't really enjoy the taste. I didn't really like it. Let me know, guys, if you really like the taste of this dish, but I didn't enjoy that much. Then later at night, I had this kulfi, and I have to say, it was so yummy. It was really refreshing. Then the next day I went for some shopping, little bit of shopping with my friends, and I bought this and that, and it was really a wonderful experience because I got to see so many things, and it was street shopping basically, and I really enjoyed and had a great time. That Ganesh Puja had also started, so went to the nearby pandal, and the festivities had started, and it was a whole lot of different energy all around. People were so happy, and everyone was so excited to see Lord Ganesha like me. I hope you guys liked my video, and if you like it, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. See you guys in my next video. Bye.